Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft 365 for AI meeting and document automations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Microsoft 365 for AI meeting and document automations, first, sign into your Microsoft 365. Open the Microsoft Azure portal by navigating to portal.azure.com. In the left sidebar, select Azure Active Directory. Next, click on App Registrations. Select New Registration to create a new application. Enter a name for your application in the designated field. Under Supported Account Types, choose the appropriate option based on your organization's needs. Click Register to create the new application. Once registered, take note of the application, client, ID. Now, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets section in the left-hand menu. Click on New Client Secret to generate a secret key. Add a description and set an expiration period for the secret. Click Add to create the secret and copy the value displayed. Next, navigate to the API Permissions section. Click on Add a permission to define required APIs. Choose Microsoft Graph from the options presented. Select Delegated Permissions to add permissions on behalf of users. Now, search for and select the relevant permissions like User, Read and Mail, Read. Click Add Permissions to finalize your selection. After adding permissions, click on Grant Admin Consent to apply the permissions organization-wide. Now, return to your automation application setup in your preferred platform. Locate the section to enter your client ID and client secret. Paste the application, client, ID you copied earlier into the appropriate field. Then, paste the client's secret value into the designated area. Next, input the Azure tenant ID, which can be found in the Azure Active Directory overview. For integration with AI tools, ensure your selected tool is compatible with Microsoft Graph. Follow the instructions provided by your AI tool to complete the connection process. Test the setup by running a sample automation to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Monitor for any issues and resolve them by checking permissions and settings. Once confirmed, you can begin using Microsoft 365 for your AI meeting and document automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.